Hello everyone! Today we're going to review the Upxon selfie stick gimbal stabilizer. This is one I bought from Amazon. It goes for approximately 30 bucks. And it's a pretty nice product so far. As you can see from the box here, it's extendable. It's a one-axis gimbal for smartphones. So here's a power cord, and this is made of plastic. Spins pretty easily. If you're not familiar with a gimbal, that's how it works. It spins so that you can move it later on to adjust for horizontal movements and vertical movements. This one does have a tripod attached to it, so we can open that. Although I have to admit the plastic feels a little cheap on the tripod, but it is only $30, so it is what we expect. And here we have the Bluetooth mechanism. This will control your video, photos on your smartphone. This is the power charger where it plugs in, and this is the on and off button. It controls the gimbal. And this allows it to spin. So when you press it once, it spins clockwise. And you press it twice, it'll go back counterclockwise. And this is the holder that holds the smartphone. I do find it a little clumsy because you have to pull out both sides to hold the smartphone. It seems sometimes when I put it in, it's a little bit more clumsy. But the grip is good. You can hold it, very solid feel. And here I have a iPhone 11 on this gimbal. So overall, it does feel pretty good, and the tripod extends to this length, which is I think it's approximately 32 inches. Very convenient for the $29. Can't really beat it. Bad. Pretty good. Now let's try it with the stabilizer. So if you're interested in purchasing this item, I've left the link below. And until next time, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.